Welcome to my coding channel, Coding Learner. So this is C++ tutorial lecture number 6. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. So this video contains what are the operators, what are the different types of operator, how they are used in program. So and at the end of the video, we do some practical questions which are based on the operators. Now we have to move forward. So first question is, what is operator? So operator is a symbol whose function is already defined by C++ compiler. Like they are built-in operators which are used to perform mathematical and logical computation. For example, like we have to add two variables, so we use additional symbol. Thus additional symbol is an operator and A and B are operands. Like for example, we take A and B as a variable. So these A and B are the operands. And the function of all operators and symbol are fixed in C++. So next slide is, what are the different types of operators? First is arithmetic operator, which are defined by two types, unary operators and binary operators. Second is relational operators. So relational operator is used to compare two value of the operand like A and B. If we want to compare A and B, we use rational operators, relational operators. Now we have logical operators which always return the value like true or false. It always used to check whether the conditions are satisfied or not. Next is bitwise operators. So bitwise operators is some complications. So bitwise operators is used to bit level operations on operators. We have to discuss it later. And then we have assignment operators. So assignment operators is used to assign the value to the variable. We have to move forward. We do some examples on arithmetic operators, relation operators, logical operation, bitwise operators, and assignment operators. So now we have to discuss our arithmetic operators, and we have two different types of arithmetic operators. First will be unary and second will be binary operators. So first we start from the unary. In unary operators, we have plus plus and minus operators. So basically they are used to increment the operand by 1 or to decrement operand by 1. So how we use, there are different types of the uses of these operators. First we have is A plus plus, which means before we first we have to write our operand and then we have to write our operator. And first we have to write operator and then we have to write operand. So let's see what are the difference between A plus plus and plus plus A. Now we have to write our main function which return int, and we have integer value of A will be 2, and we have to out statement A plus plus. And then we have to plus plus A. Here, together. So that's it. Now we check what we have output. So for a plus plus we get 2, and for plus plus a we got 4. So what was happening here? There was a variable which are operand, in which we have to store value 2, and then we have out statement which say that we have to increment a, but after the operation we have to do out operation. So our a will be printed as 2, and then it was incremented by 1, which is 3. And now what was happening in second, we have a is equals to 3, and before printing the value of a we have to increment. So a is equals to a plus 1, which is 3 plus 1 will be 4. So here we got output as a is equals to 2, and here we got output as a is equals to 4. So this incrementation will perform after the output statement, and this incrementation will perform before the output statement. So that's why we got 4. So next we have to do our relational operator, which define a relation between two operators, and it returns a boolean value. So first operators is equals to operator. It gives true value if both operand having a equal values. And then we have not equals to, exclamation mark, and equals to, which gives true if both operand are not equal. And then we have smaller than sign, which gives true if the left operand is smaller than the right operand. And next we have greater than sign, which gives true if left operand is more than the right operand. And here smaller than equals to sign, which gives true if left operand is small than right operand, and it is also equals to, or it is also, or it may be equals to the right operand. And next we have greater than equals to sign, which give true if left operand is more than or equals to the right operands. So that's it. Now we have to do some operation to define what was happening here. So we have a question that input a number from the user and tell whether it is equals to or less than or more than 10. So first we have to take the value of n from the user, and then we have if else, which if n is greater than 10, it's print greater than 10. ENTL. If this condition is true, then we got greater than 10. And next condition is, if n is smaller than 10, then we have out statement which is smaller than 10. Next we have else statement which define that Cout the number is equal to 10. If this statement is not satisfied, it go forward, and this is also not satisfied, it goes on forward, and then it prints number is equals to 10. If we take n is equals to 9, obviously we get smaller than 10 because this condition is satisfied and it gives true, and what we get as an output smaller than 10. So let's check what we got. First we have to check for 10. Okay, this number is equals to 10 because it is not greater than 10, not smaller than 10, but the last condition will run, and what was the out statement, the number is equals to 10. And now we have to check for another value. Let's take 100, and this what we get, obviously 100 is greater than 10, and we get out statement as greater than 10. So that's it about relational operators. Now we have to move forward and we learn about what are the logical operators. So logical operators is used to check the condition whether it is true or false. So first logical operator is and, which gives true if both operand are true, else false. And we have bar, which means it returns true if at least one of the operand are true. In this case, we have a two condition are mandatory to be true, and we have or operator in which one of the operand condition are true. At least one of the condition of the operators are true, and if both the conditions are not true, we use not, which is explanatory sign. Now we have to do question. We have to write a program to give output whether a number is divisible by both 2 and 3 or divisible by only one of them. Now we have to move forward. We use if-else statements. Now first we use our modulus, so that we take a number from the user, and then we have if-else statements, and here we got and modulus 2 is equals to 0. If it is, then obviously it is divisible by 2, and one more condition will be we have to write and second condition will be and modulus 3 is equals to 2. If we got remainder is equals to 2, that means it is divisible by 2 or 3. So we have to move forward. It's give out statement, which is the number is divisible by both. If the both operand conditions are true, it print the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So that's it. We have a statement. And else, if and modulus 2 is equals to 1, we have or operator in which we say that yes, one of the condition are true, whether a number is divisible by 2 or it is divisible by 3. So here we have output statement where the number, we have to check it. Let's see, we have to check it. If n modulus 2 is equals to 0, then print it is divisible by 2. So that's it. Else, obviously, if it is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. We already check one of the condition are true. Then we have to write direct else statement, which is out it is divisible by 3. And here, that's it. And what if the number is not divisible by 2 or as well as 3? So we have else statement which gives cout the number is not divisible by both. So that's it. Now we have to run the program. Let's see what we get. First we have to give a number. Let's say we give 6 and here we got the number is divisible by both 3 and 2. Yes, it is right. We check for another input. Let's say 16. 16 is divisible by 2 but not 3. So let's see what we get. Okay, it is divisible by 2 but not 3. So this out statement will be we get.